Alright, here we go. Here's my prototype. I got my little planetary motor, and I have it hooked up to this 18650 battery bank. So I can switch from 3, 5, 6, 9, and 12 volts, which obviously will increase the speed, but this thing is designed for 6 volts, so right now it's not even pulling anything because it's at 3. If I turn it to 5, it's on the power. You can see it registers as 3.6 volts. Next setting is 5.8. Fair amount of torque. And if I go to the next, and it's 8.2, it's a little much. Drop it back down to 6. You can see I got this little readout on here. Shows me that it's approximately, 6 watts. So the numbers are pretty close.